explain how it is that I cut down big huge trees with a real little saw. And this is really dangerous, so don't do this. You know, I had to go to community college and take classes to do this, and I had to use a calculator. I had to check the wind speed. I had to take a trigonometry course real quick, you know, just so I could have the credentials to be able to use a chainsaw to make a tree fall on the ground. It's very technical stuff. You know, it's very similar to rocket propulsion science. You know, you have to be completely certified. You know, it's not just a matter of you know, you were crazy enough to try it and realize you didn't die and get PTSD or something along the way. Nah, you know, it requires a lot of credentials. So, you know, so don't do this. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drop this huge tree with this little saw. Let's get to it.